Unit in a fund.
Don't go putting any happy meals on your expenses.
Good morning. Today is Monday and we're back at it again with another vlog. Currently, I'm working from my bed because my desk is very chaotic right now. I cannot even deal with that right now. I can't. I just got up to get the camera because I was like, I might as well, you know, hold on. I might as well, you know, start the vlog of today. And so basically, well, I have uploaded my new vlog and it's scheduled to go up at 6. So I was just looking at it and it said copyright claim, and I'm like, what did I put that there's a copyright claim? And I put like an instrumental of Piece of Me. And I understand why they do copyright claims. However, you are not the one that recorded the video, you didn't edit it, I sat down for hours, and yet you want to monetize off my thing. What a joker. I'm removing it now because, excuse me, absolute jokers. My dad's 1975 ringtone is always sending me. I've had copyright claims in my videos before and I'm like, oh, it's not that deep, but I'm thinking, bruv, I can make money from this shit and you lot are just coming to just because of one small instrumental. Remove it. This is my video, I will remove. That was just my rant for this morning. I received such a lovely package from a company called Luisa. They sent me some beautiful jewellery. Like, I've worn these hoops. I think I wore them at the end of my last vlog actually. And every time I wear them, or every time I've worn them, should I say, a lot of people are like, where you get earrings from? Where'd you get earrings from? And I'm like, Luisa, girl. Prices start from $39. They have some, I guess, mid-range to high-end jewelry. The one thing that I do appreciate about them is that they are a sustainable company, because a lot of these companies are mashing up they're mashing up our planet all for the sake of nice things. But I do appreciate that this company, they're thinking about the environment, you know, and they're still making beautiful pieces. Also, they have a lifetime warranty. It's pretty self-explanatory, you know. If you have any problems, if any qualms, you can just send that back. Check them out. Also, I have a discount code. I believe it's Ronnyrae 10. I'm gonna put it here in case it's wrong. I believe that's the one though, because my memory is good. It is good. I'm hoping that's good. That'll be embarrassing. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna get back to my work.
6 hours later.
Guys, I'm wearing my 90 that my grandma gave to me. Don't run joke. Don't run joke. I know it's like proper grandma 90, but it's mad comfy after you've come out the bath. Oh, feeling amazing. I just recorded a video like for my Insta. Like, what I used to do, yeah, I would think of a funny idea and I'll just write it down. I'll be like, oh, I'll do that later. But I was like, no, like, this is not the time to be procrastinating. So I literally paused my work, set up my lights, threw everything off my bed because I've got bare clothes in there that I need to fold, and then I recorded my video. Dear diary, I've been really going through it. I mean, I bought ice cream last week and I was like, do you know what? I'm really feeling for some. I went downstairs to the freezer and to my surprise, there was stew inside it. I mean, for a second I did think, did I buy red velvet ice cream? And then I came to my senses. I live in a Nigerian household. Go check it out, guys. No, I honestly make myself laugh so much, like, and I never put my ideas into actual videos, but that stops from now because I've been rewatching that reel, just laughing to myself like, no, I'm funny, bro. What the hell? I'm gonna finish my work. I need to watch, or finish watching this YouTube video. I'm watching Bola Bella. My computer's locked. But she just uploaded a Zara haul. And I just placed the Zara order like 2 days ago. I wish I waited for that video because sis is looking sweet. I'm gonna watch the video, do my work, and vlog in the morning. It's been a very, very long day. The time is 1:39. Look, guys. Can you see? I've got the funniest reminder on my phone. I always have to remind myself to brush my teeth before I sleep. But yeah, I went to the office and then straight from there I went to my cousin's studio to help her pack orders. Bruh, and I'm just getting home now. Usually I go to the office on Wednesdays as well, but even my manager was like, because we're doing training, like, do you even want to come to the office? So, you know, it's not like you're doing work. And I was like, I'll let him know in the morning because I might actually want to come in. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going any fucking where. I'm staying my ass in my bed and I'll listen to whatever they're telling me from my bed. It's bedtime. Definitely bedtime. I just woke up. Let me pause this thing. It's gonna make noise in the back. I started watching a channel called Hood Vlogs. Very, very interesting. It's about like the different neighborhoods in LA. But very, very interesting. Like, YouTube is forever recommending me such random videos, but I love them. I do. But I just woke up from the longest nap ever. I don't know if I said it before, but I went to my cousin's studio / warehouse to like help with the packing order process because she did a huge Black Friday sale. Like, I'm so proud of her. She sold so many things, so it was a lot. Like, I think her friends are going back today to help her. As for me, I'm tired. Like, oh my gosh, I slept till 8:30. Usually I just wake up at like 7 or something. I slept till 8:30, and that's only because my alarm went off because I had to jump on a meeting at 9, so I had to prepare myself. And then when the meeting finished at 12, what did I do? Closed my laptop, went back to sleep. Like, the work I did yesterday, I felt like when I used to, basically, you know the O2 Arena, I'm not sure if everyone watching will know what it is, but it's like this big, it's where like concerts are held. There's like food areas and stuff, but the O2 Arena itself is where concerts are held, like big concerts. I used to work there, like the VIP suites where, you know, you'd get the boxes. I used to work there, and the way I used to walk up and down, up and down, up and down, oh my gosh. After like a 9-8 hour shift, I was tired. When I look back at it, that's actually what kept me fit, because I didn't go to the gym. But that's what kept me in shape, because I used to walk up and down, up and down. Like, if you've been in the suite area in the O2, you know there's 2 floors and it goes round. Like, it's a lot. But I haven't done labor like that for a while, so like my body is tired. Right now I'm finally tackling my room. I've had a lot of orders recently, so I've just got loads of boxes, especially Amazon. I'm defo making Jeff Bezos rich. I did a lot of washing over the weekend, so I got a lot of clothes to fold. So I'm gonna do that now. I got a lash appointment at like 6, I think. I need to double check. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna tidy my room.
And it'd be like sometimes your parents don't even got the money to get the uniform for you, and you can't even go, you know?
Exactly. Right here on 1941. This will take you straight to it. Now, this one shot right into downtown, and but I'm from the. I promise you, if he's meant to be, it's gonna be.
Been on Elway since he was about 8, 9, playing park recreation ball. Been watching.
Oh, I literally
Walked in the house. I need to pull up at the shop.
It smells glorious.
Like anytime I'm on the way.
Guys, you see this perfume? Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. That's what we're gonna call it. My dad got it for me like last year, and I didn't really like it, but I was just like, oh, let me just keep it. But now I do quite like the smell. It's quite pleasant, like florally, freshy. That's not really my vibe. I like dark ouds and stuff, but this one is quite fresh. Because I was thinking I don't really want to smell like woody right now, so I was like, let me wear the Mademoiselle, and it's quite pleasant. Love it. And then I'm gonna wear my Kayali vanilla. I just want to smell sweet. You see me? Oh, this thing always makes me sneeze. I don't know what's in it that always makes me like, makes my nose tingle like I'm about to sneeze, should I say. Lost my train of thought now. What was I saying? Yeah, one thing about me, regardless of where I am, I'm gonna smell good. Even if I'm just chilling in my house, I'll put perfume on because I don't know. I enjoy smells a lot, you know. The conditioners I use in my clothes, they have to smell lush because I just like smelling good no matter where I am. What's the time? I've got 10 minutes to leave. I got 10 minutes to leave. I got 10 minutes to leave. I got 10 minutes to leave. Gotta go and see me on you're gonna see me on the train. Oh yes. I think I need to redo my hair. Hey, I just cut this bit, yeah. I definitely need to redo my hair. What I'm gonna do this time, I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun and then put the braid on. That way my hair won't be like trying to say hi to you guys. I'm gonna redo it. Yep. Probably. When am I going out? Maybe Saturday. Got like a girls' sleepover. Then Sunday I'm going for brunch. Do it probably on Friday evening. And check my calendar. Guys, you see, if it's not in my calendar, it's not happening. Unless it's a spontaneous outing like I'm going out today. But planned events, if it's not in my calendar, it does not exist in my head. I'm gonna go. Guys, take a look at my lashes. This is before. I might vlog when I'm there, but we'll see. This is before. So I'll show you after.
The next station is
This is after. I'm home now. So pretty. I got Russian volumes. Always tend to get that now. I love them so much. They're so pretty. I am tired. I'm gonna attempt to continue folding my clothes and putting them away. And I need to finish some work that I didn't do earlier because I slept.
One eternity later.
So I realised whilst editing this vlog, I didn't actually speak when I was cooking. But basically, guys, I'm just making some jollof rice. For you guys that don't know, it's this is gonna cause some controversy if I say it's Nigerian, but it's a famous rice dish that Africans make. Let's just say that. So yeah, guys, just babs with me because I didn't speak at all. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how other people make jollof rice because everyone makes it so different. But yeah, I'm just making jollof rice, so enjoy the show. This isn't just any rice. This is the Ronnyrae Jollof rice. You can't get this anywhere else. Hello. It's Sunday. I'm getting ready for brunch. I'm not running late, but I'm running behind schedule. So I'm about to do my makeup really quick, but it's still gonna look fly because I'm trying to take some cute pictures. We're going to Lucky Cane. That seems to be the hotspot at the moment. Every time I go on Instagram, someone's there. So I'm gonna go as well to see what the hype is about. Like, to be honest, I was sold at the bottomless cocktails. I was sold. I said, I didn't even look at the menu. I only looked at it like a couple hours ago. These times I booked it last week. But listen, I'm trying to enjoy my life. I'm going to go to Nick's. I was going to take train, but that seems like the ghetto right now, so we're jumping in an Uber. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys. I went to brunch today. I was rushing around so much I forgot my camera at home, but I was even annoyed when I got there. This is the table that they gave us. The seat basically they gave us was ridiculous, so I wouldn't have vlogged anyway, but I'm just gonna come and close out the vlog because I think the last time I filmed I was cooking jollof rice. So yeah. If you guys have liked this vlog, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for the love on the last vlog. Yeah, I'll be vlogging again this week. This day is Sunday. But yeah, peace, love and stay safe guys.